the sky turns blue, where prayer flags dance in the morning dew. In frozen soil where the strong roots grew, lives a golden grain the elders knew. Before the roads and the written word, before the songs the cities heard, Tibetan barley, humble and true, fed the flame of life, sweet true. Through empty bowls and hopeful eyes, you whispered strength just to survive. Oh, Drew, you've watched the ages roll under burning sun and winter snow. From hand to heart, from field to soul, you kept us standing, you made us whole. So small a seed, so deep, so true. 1,000 years, say thank you, Drew. From farmers' palms to the family fire, you warmed the blood when the nights were dire. When storms closed in and the winds cried loud, you stayed with us, humble and proud. Stone grind songs in a mother's care, steam rising softly in mountain air. No crown you wore, no throne you knew, yet every home bowed down to Drew. When hope felt thin and days were few, we always found our way back to you. Oh, Drew, you watched the ages roll under burning sun and winter snow. From hand to heart, from field to soul, you kept us standing, you made us whole. So small a seed, so deep, so true. 1,000 years, say thank you, Drew. You never glittered, never shined, but you fed the strength of humankind. Gold can fade and kingdoms fall, but you answered hunger's call. In every prayer, in every grain, lives the memory of joy and pain. Oh, Drew, you've watched the ages roll under endless sky and mountain stone. Tibet stands strong, the roots run through every heartbeat shaped by you. Not just a grain, our history too, our faithful friend, eternal Drew. High where the cold winds still blow, the old hearts smile because they know.